Hey guys, kumusta? This is it. Tapos na ang ating grade 10 and tayo na ay mag-move up further into our journey in life and you are now entering grade 11. On behalf of Aquinas, I would like to say na proud ako sa iyo or proud kami sa iyo for what you have achieved this school year. With honors man or wala, we are still very much proud of you for surviving one heck of a school year. So you're wondering ano ba itong video na ito and what it's all about. Originally, dapat may 6 questions na makikita nyo rito na sinagot ng ilang tao sa Aquinas na nilapitan ko. Pero para makatipid sa oras at para maging maayos ang daloy ng ating video, I limited it to one question only. And kung ano nga ba yon? Please sit back, relax, and watch this video to find out about it. Ano, isip ka pa muna?
I love you guys.
Isa pa. Hindi narinig eh.
I love you guys. Yun na lang.
Stay active lang, tsaka galingan nyo lang palagi.
Galingan pa ako Inos na sana sabay-sabay tayong maging successful and then magkita-kita pa tayo kung sakaling may alumni homecoming from 20 years from now.
My message for Aquinas is the school year is going to end and we're going to our different pathway in our lives. In our para sa senior high, I hope that you guys remember all our memories and make sure to believe to yourself and do your best para sa next school year. Kahit magkakawalay naman tayo ng school, I will miss you all.
Good luck sa journey nyo pagtapos ng junior high. And sana, huwag nyo nadalhin lahat ng mga kagaguhan nyo sa senior high. Thank you.
Pakabuti kayo pag alis nyo ng parol.
Goodbye. Good luck sa magiging sa next school year nyo guys.
Ang message ko sa buong Aquinas is sana maging maganda kayo katulad ko. Ay, joke lang. Ito talaga, yung message ko sa Aquinas, sana pagdating nyo ng senior high, parang mas galingan nyo pa. Yung mga pinagdaanan natin this school year, parang alam kong sobrang naging mabigat siya sa bawat isa kasi gabi talaga nakakapagod, ang dami talagang nangyari. Pero yung experience na to, parang parang dapat gamitin natin siya as ano ba? Guys, tulungan niyo ako.
Lesson.
Ayun, as a lesson para mas maging matatag pa. At sana maging mabait kayo kasi ang dami talagang plastic. Joke lang. I love you, Aquinas. Pero ayun, sana maging mabait kayo sa sa magulang nyo. At laging magdasal sa Panginoon. Yun lang. I love you, Aquinas. This is Bini Maloy signing off.
Hi guys. Sana kilala niyo pa ako pagtapos ng pag-aaral niyo. And shoutout po kay Jamaica A. Bukayo. Gusto ko lang po i-express yung gratitude ko kay Jamaica kasi sobrang sulit niyang maging president, sobrang worth it nung pagboto ko sa kanya. Kasi kung hindi siya yung president ng Aquinas, siguro hindi kami mabubuo ng ganito. Yung announcement niya ng sobrang timely, like, sobrang na-appreciate ka namin. And sa mga class officers dyan, especially yung vice president ng Aquinas, thank you so much kasi super galing mong mag-handle ng section.
Hi, my name is Deus at ang message ko para sa Aquinas. First of all, congratulations sa ating lahat dahil napagtagumpayan natin yung school year na ito kahit mahirap. At alam ko na masyado maikli yung time na binigay sa atin para magsama-sama, pero natutuwa pa rin ako dahil nasulit natin to. Alam ko na magkakahiwalay-hiwalay tayo dahil sa mga strand na napili natin at yung iba lilipat ng school or yung iba mag-i-stay dito sa Arroyo. Pero gusto ko na, wini-wish ko na sana hindi masira yung bond na nabuo natin, yung relationship na nabuo natin. At ang wish ko lang sa inyong lahat ay sana mapagtagumpayan nyo lahat ng hinahangad nyo sa buhay. Sana makamit nyo lahat. Good luck sa inyo. Good luck sa bagong journey. Padayon, Aquinas.
Message ko lang sa Aquinas is, kahit sang school man tayo mapunta, maalala pa rin natin ang pinagsamahan ng Aquinas at manatili pa rin ang ating manatili pa rin tayo at magkakilala kung magkikita man tayo sa
Thank you, my fellow Aquinas. Everyone was extra nice to me. Pasensya na, I'm someone with a few words. Continue to aim high and be the best. Good luck, everyone, and congratulations.
I hope makamit nyo yung dream nyo and ma-withstand nyo yung lahat ng problema na ikakaharap. Yun.
Hey, congratulations at tapos na rin ang ating grade 10 Aquinas. First of all, I am very thankful for all of you. Personally, hindi ko rin in-expect na magiging attached ako sa isang section, though hindi ako umiyak no last day natin. And yeah, I'm very thankful na nakilala ko ang bawat isa sa inyo, though I didn't get to know others much closer. Still, I am thankful for your lives. And I'm thankful for every one of you na nakikita ko kasi kayo na sinusuportahan nyo ang isa't isa, and I'm very glad na may ganun kayong mindset na even though hindi nyo naman ka-close yung tao, binibigay nyo pa rin yung suporta nyo sa kanila. And what else? Thank you for those laughters that we have shared, those memories that we have created, those nights that we spent talking with each other kung paano gawin yung ganitong activity, yung ganitong assignment, yung ganitong PETA. I will surely miss that, and I hope you will too. As our lives are moving forward na with our grade 10 coming to end and the grade 11 beginning, I hope that we take a moment to look back on how we did this school year. Whether it may be good or bad, sana tignan din natin kung paano tayo nag-act, kung paano tayo nagsalita, kung paano tayo nag-isip this school year, and hopefully learn from it and use that to our advantage na rin para mas maging prepared tayo for grade 11 and in life in general. Alam kong maraming lessons ang ibinigay sa atin ng ating grade 10. Sa pamagitan na rin yon ng napakaraming pagsubok, ng napakaraming hamon na ibinigay sa atin, and bunga nun marami tayo natutunan na mga bagay-bagay. I hope na babaunin nyo iyon sa inyong pagtahak ng panibagong landas sa grade 11, na sana ay kung magkaroon man kayo ng problema ay hindi na kayo mahihirapan doon. Maninibago siguro ang iba sa atin kasi a new chapter, a new schools for some, or a new strand. Hindi na tayo magkakasama. May miss ko na makikita yung pagmumukha nyo sa araw-araw. Ayun, I hope na patuloy pa rin tayong magkakaroon ng hidden bond sa isa't isa. Hindi naman kailangan na lagi tayo mag-communicate. Just a simple hello or kamusta, okay na yun. And sana as we grow old, as we grow old, our relationship will only grow stronger. So ayun, continue on letting your light shine even throughout the darkest nights or the darkest days of your life. Padayon, Aquinas. ayokong sabihin goodbye eh. This isn't a goodbye for me, but it's more of a see you again. See you again very soon. Bye-bye. Nagbabay pa rin.
Okay, so I've given myself some time to think kung ano yung magiging message ko for everyone. And it's hard kasi ang hirap magbigay ng message sa inyong lahat kasi masakit man sabihin, pero I didn't get to know everyone sa section natin. Pero I remember this one thing, and it's the metaphor of the boiling frog. And what is the metaphor of the boiling frog? Maybe some of you doesn't know this, pero tawag dito, yung sinasabi kasi doon sa boiling frog na yun na pinresent ni Oliver Clark. Yes, meron akong kopya kasi para sa gets nyo. Okay, so yung theory na yun na pinresent ni Oliver Clark about sa boiling frog is when you put a frog in a piece of pot na may tubig, tapos nilagay mo siya sa stove, then you turn on that stove, tapos gradually mo tinataas yung heat. Of course, at some point, the water will start to warm up. Syempre, habang patagal or habang tinataas yung heat, yung tubig na yun, at first, it will be warm, then it will be boiling, then it will be extremely boiling to the point na, alam nyo na yun, yung kulong-kulo talaga. Pero kasi, ang thing kasi sa frogs is they can adjust themselves in many different places, many different conditions, or many different environments kasi kailangan nila mabuhay. And I remember our section sa gantong characteristics. Oo, para tayong mga palaka, guys. Legit. So let's continue on. And about that frog is, tawag dito, they can adjust into certain types of heat. Kahit na mag-warm yung tubig na yon, kahit na medyo parang pag kumukulo-kulo na, mararamdaman lang din ng frog na parang una, di ba, maligamgam na, parang, ay medyo umiinit na, tapos parang na medyo uminit na uli, parang umiinit na dito tapos parang nung kumulo na, ay shit, ang init, ganon, parang ganon na yun ang nangyayari. Parang, kaya niya mag-adjust, kasi nga kaya niyang i-adjust yung katawan niya sa tubig. But, at some points, yung frog na yun, hindi yun tatalon kasi nga hindi niya napapansin na that water will kill him at some point. Ang iniisip niya lang lagi is kaya niya mag-adjust. Mag-adjust lang siya na mag-adjust. Kasi hindi niya napapansin na naapektuhan na yung katawan niya sa sobrang taas ng paggulo ng tubig. Kasi nga, hindi na kinakaya ng katawan niya yung ganong klaseng type ng heat. Although, nasa isip niya, kaya niya kasi nga ina-adjust niya yung katawan niya. Tapos, gradual lang talaga yung pagtaas ng init ng tubig. So, kumbaga parang adjust lang siya na adjust. And to cut it short, I want you guys to jump out of that boiling water when you need to. Hindi sa lahat ng oras, dapat ina-adjust natin yung sarili natin just because we can. At some points, we would have to stop ourselves in order to do better or to be better. Kasi may times na we're going into environments na doesn't really even fit us or hindi tayo tinatrato ng tama. Yet, we always try and adjust. And I'm not saying adjusting is bad. Adjusting is good. Adjusting means that you're actually trying or you're actually daring yourself into taking on to these challenges. And alam ko na all of you have that characteristic. Each of you has that characteristic in your body na kinakaya nyo. Kasi competent kayo at nakita ko na lahat yon. Pero, lagi kayo dapat naglo-look out para sa sarili nyo. Kasi hindi sa lahat ng oras dapat nag-a-adjust kayo. Sana nagigets nyo. Kasi there are just some environments na they will just keep on turning that stove to the right hanggang at its highest point para matest ka talaga nila. And those people na are testing you, they can be very greedy. They can always want the things na hindi mo naman talaga kaya ibigay. And to add lang, do not give the things you do not have. Wala ka dapat ipatunay sa mga tao na to. You prove the things you want to prove to yourself, but not to other people. I hope my message is making sense, but I'm just very worried to some of you, especially as an older person. I'm very scared na you guys might encounter the same things na I did, like pleasing other people or extending your arm too much for other people para lang masabi mo na ganito ka, para lang masabi mo na kaya mo, para lang masabi mo na hindi ikaw yung gantong tao na pinaperceive nila. Pero, hindi sa lahat ng oras, that will fit. Kasi, if we do these things na people put us, if we do these things na pinapagawa sa atin ng mga tao, you will lose yourself at some point. I hope I hope this makes sense. I hope na I touched your heart at some point. I had a very fun time with all of you. Like legit, I think I would be carrying my memory with you guys until I go to college or even farther than that. I think I would be comparing my school experiences with my grade 10 experience, and I hope na may makatop nga nun. But I will never forget you guys regardless if other people top this one. There's no contest, pero I just hope na I meet other people or I meet sections na katulad nyo. That's all I'm trying to say. Thank you guys. I hope and pray na each one of us become successful, and I'm hoping to see lahat kayo sa magiging reunion natin soon. Huwag kayong aalis, guys.
Sana hindi natin makalimutan yung isa't isa since we will go on our separate ways this school year. Next school year, I'm very thankful guys na naging part kayo ng high school journey ko, na naging part tayo ng high school journey ng isa't isa, even though may mga sarili-sarili tayong circle sa loob na Aquinas. Nandun pa rin yung unity, mapa-normal school day lang, or lalo na sa may mga activities like mga contest, ganun. So as we step into a new challenge, a new chapter in our lives, senior high school, madala natin yung mga memories, realizations, life lessons na natutunan natin, and the past mistakes na nagdala sa atin ng magandang lesson na that can make us a better versions of ourselves. So, wishing you all the best on your journey ahead. Bye!
So, ayun. Sobrang happy ako na naging classmate ko kayo this school year. Alam ko na yung iba, hindi pa ito yung last na pagkikita natin. Uy, mag-reunion tayo. Hindi talaga para hindi mag-reunion. Tapos, ayun. Good luck sa mga susunod nyo pang school year. Good luck sa journey nyo. Sana ma-reach nyo yung dreams nyo. Remember na I am always proud of you guys. Bye-bye. Love you all.
Dear Aquinas, as we come to the end of this chapter together, I wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude for the enriching discussions, the shared knowledge, and the bonds we formed. Each of you has brought a unique perspective and a valuable contribution to our learning journey. As we part ways in this section, let's cherish the memories we've created and the growth we've experienced. We only started our high school journey via online. We started it by just facing a screen and opening our minds. Adjusting to the new normal and one another are both different challenges, but as time goes on, we slowly get each other and go with the same page. We didn't just made a section, but we made a family. A family where we can rely on, and a family to have and to care. Even though we only spent 2 years of our lives inside Arroyo High School, we've made those 2 years remarkable and memorable. In just a short of time, we've been through a lot, but we stood together as a team and as a family. Now we are going to our own paths that we are not sure of what's lying for us in the end, but these paths are the next chapters of our stories. And it's time to close this chapter of our lives and focus on what's ahead of us. Aquinas will be always my home. A home that I will always remember. A home that I started to become confident. A home that I will never regret of saying. And a home that I will always look back onto. I hope our paths cross again someday, Aquinas. Thank you for being part of my journey at Arroyo High School. Good luck and wishing you all the best on your future. I love you so much, guys, and bye!
So, ayun, this is supposedly my final message for Aquinas. Ayun, final message, mamatay na. Pero, ayun, starting off with the first day of classes, I'm very overwhelmed and at the same time pressured kasi most of Aquinas peeps galing sa Amorsolo and yung mga iba naman na hindi galing sa Aquinas may reputation tsaka may mapapatunayan naman talaga and very famous ganon. So me, considering na galing sa Beethoven na outcast yung section, kung alam nyo lang, I'm very takot. Alam niyo yun, tapos, with high pa ako nun, diba? So, baka isipin nyo, competitor ako, and parang hindi magpapalamang, ganon. Kaya, nung mga first weeks, talaga ng classes, parang I'm a bit wary. Hindi pala I'm bit, sobra talaga, as in, tsaka, I've created a wall para lang maprotektahan yung sarili ko. Pero, as the time passes by, nag-start yun nung competition ni Patrick, pati ni May. Ayun, parang, kahit hindi pa naman tayo super close, parang nagpa-plastikan, patanga tayo ata nun eh. Parang nafe-feel ko na masaya naman pala. So, parang iba naman pala yung naiisip ko. Siguro, yun lang talaga yung naiisip ko kasi parang hindi pa ako masyadong hindi ko pa kayo masyado kilala. Tsaka galing kayo talaga sa matataas na and then ako parang med. Kaya, ayun, super happy ako na we created a bond where parang we have each other. Tsaka, hindi ko in-expect na magiging close ko yung mga dati kong ina-admire. Ngayon, friends ko na. At parang masasandalan mo when it comes to ACADS, kapag burnout ka na. Wala lang, I'm very happy na through the year, parang we enjoyed it, with the help of ordinary things like, kunyari, magpapastil, ganon. Or di kaya naman parang sa canteen, or di kaya mag-iingay sa room. Alam niyo, yung mga simple things that made us stronger. Kaya, sobrang na-attach ako sa Aquinas at I'm very sad na nag-end na yung school year and I can't fathom and at the same time, hindi nagsisink in sa akin na hindi na kayo yung kasama ko sa next na room na pupuntahan ko. Wala pa nga akong school eh. Pero ayun, ang sad kasi mag-a-adjust na naman ako kasi natatakot ako na baka sa hindi na mag-fit in yung na-build kong humor or di kaya yung mga habits ko na na-apply ko sa inyo. Kaya I'm very sad pero sana just like me, parang you'll hope for a miracle called tomorrow. Ayun! Nakuha ko lang talaga yun sa new song ng TXT. Pero, ayun, basta keep growing and keep striving for the best. Goodbye! I love you all.
Hi, Aquinas. My name is Jamaica A. Bocayang and I am the president of Creative Aquinas. Actually, sobrang random nito, hindi ko naman ito nag-video, pero kasi natusan ako. So ito, wala akong prepare na kahit anong messages, kaya kung ano na lang yung masabi ko dito, kung may malimutan man ako, shot ko na lang yung iba. Pero honestly guys, ayoko talagang mag-goodbye sa inyo kasi sigurado naman ako na soon, sana, magkikita-kita pa tayo. Pero yun, una kong gusto kong sabihin sa inyo is thank you sobrang salamat kasi binigyan niyo ako ng chance to lead our section kahit alam kong sobrang dami pa sa atin yung capable sa work or position na binigay niyo sa akin. Ang dami nating mga student leaders, matatalino, at yung iba pa. Pero yun nga, dito na ako sa point na nag-video ako as your president. Yun nga, wala akong masabi kasi talagang sobrang daming nangyari ngayong taon and parang kahapon lang talaga nagsimula lahat. Parang pumikit lang tayo kasi parang nung isang araw, pinagdadaan lang natin yung COT, nagpa-practice lang tayo sa hip-hop. Actually, naalala ko nga, nagpe-prepare pa lang ako ng mga awarding for Teacher's Day. Tapos, Christmas party. Meron sadness talaga sa akin na tapos na yung school year natin na eto, nagpapaalam na ako sa inyo. Pero ayun, sobrang grateful ko na kasi sa kayo yung nakasama ko sa last year ko sa junior high school. Sobrang naging masaya and sobrang daming experience sa lahat. Sobrang daming naging experience or naging maganda yung journey na to kasama kayo. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na proud ako sa inyo lahat dahil nalagpasan natin tong school year na to na magkakasama. Napagdaanan natin yung mga contest, events, projects and activities. Tapos, umuwi tayo ng late, pinapagalitan tayo, hindi na tayo nakakakain, nagpupuyat tayo. Pero ito na tayo sa point na meron na naman tayong tatahakin na new journey. Dahil itong moving up natin, ito talaga yung parang start na naman siya ulit. Hindi siya tapos eh. Start na naman natin to ulit sa bago nating journey. At kahit magkakahiwa-hiwalay naman tayo, sure ako na maaabot nyo yung mga bagay na gusto nyong abutin. Na mas mai-improve nyo pa yung mga bagay na na-discover nyo this year or mga nalaman nyo. Ayun guys, gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyo sa lahat kasi naging madali yung siguro as a president, naging madali yung mga bagay kasama kayo. Hindi ako nahirapan. Siguro meron naman point sa atin talaga na may mga napagdaanan tayo problema. Pero yun nga, sa pagiging president, sobrang thank you kasi ang galing nyo. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya sasabihin, pero hindi ako dumating dun sa point na parang like, sobrang inis ako sa inyo kasi hindi kayo marunong makinig. Pero yun nga, given naman na grade na tayo, dapat magkaroon na tayo ng sarili nating isip, tapos respect for everyone. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano ko kayo pasasalamatan kasi sobrang dami nating napagdaanan na magkakasama. Gusto kong i-end na lang tong video, pero gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na good luck kasi ito yung new journey na naman natin sa senior high. Kakaroon man tayo ng mga problema, mag-a-adjust pa tayo, new environment. Pero sure ako na mas gagalingan nyo pa at makakagraduate tayo. Ayun, siguro sa GC na lang talaga yung iba kasi hindi ako nag-prepare ng kahit ano. Lahat ng sinabi ko galing sa puso lang to, pero gusto lang talaga mag-thank you sa inyo na kayo yung pinagpapawisan na ako. Kayo yung nakasama ko this last school year as a junior high school. And yun lang guys, I love you all. Good luck sa inyo!
Dearest Aquinas, we have shared a lot of laughter, sadness, dissatisfaction, conflicts, quarrels, sympathy and empathy all together. I want to tell you how you made my Creighton journey a little more cheery. I am grateful for the memories that we have shared as a whole. There were times when some of us might have conflicts with each other, with our teacher, with our grades, and with ourselves. But I think that this became a lesson to some to do better than before. I felt comfort from some, but I also felt irritation from others. I may have offended some with my actions that I may or may not be aware of.
And for that, I want to say sorry to those who I have offended or did wrong to. As your classmate, I want to tell you that I will forever treasure the moments that we've shared at Aquinas. May it be a bad or good memory, I'll forever keep it in my heart. Keep on pursuing your dream and aim for the best. Wishing you all the best in life. God bless.